Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate AWeber in Shopify. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, go to Zapier. Zapier is a platform used for automating tasks between different apps. In Zapier, you can integrate a wide range of apps to automate workflows and tasks across different platforms. Now, in the top left corner, click on Create and select Zaps. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Start by selecting the first trigger and searching for AWeber. Choose AWeber from the available options. Then, move to the second trigger, search for Shopify, and select it. Next, return to the AWeber setup to complete the trigger event options. Click on the Sign Up option to connect your AWeber account. Enter your AWeber username and password, then click Allow Access. After that, click Continue and complete the test settings. Now proceed to the Shopify setup to complete the action event options. Click Sign In to connect your Shopify account. Enter your Shopify account URL, then click Yes to continue, and fill in all the necessary configuration settings, then complete the test settings. Finally, click Publish, and you're all set. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Finally, click Publish, and you're all set.